Hey guys, look what I got. The '79 Bronco. I was going through my aunt's stuff. She bought this thing brand spanking new from Spring Valley, New York, and brought it down here to Virginia. It's about 10 years up in New York, maybe. So look at the brochure, man. I found this the other day, and I thought it was interesting. See how the brochure looked back then. Look at that. Look at the different colors they had. I haven't seen one of these babies yet, but look at they had the white tires with it. But my aunt, man, she won't be doing that. Everything she got, she customized it, man. Look at that. Look at that handling package on that. Interesting. And I can see how stuff was advertised back then. Let you read that. Look at the colors. Boom. Different wheel pattern. Look at that interior. Get the high back seats on this baby boy. Look at that. Yeah, I like them seats. Low seats that break your neck on accident. Got the custom. That's the one she has. The custom, I think. Let's see here. All the options. Look at the options. Look at the colors. Booyah. AM, FM radio. Man, what you talking about, man? What you talking about? Cassette tape deck in that jank. So, what the heck is this? What is this? I don't know what that is. I'm gonna find out what it is. What the heck? Okay. Okay, got the two-tone. Okay, I got the option for you. Y'all read that. Then the last page. Okay. Specifications. Let's see if I got a picture of it here. I think I got a picture of the vehicle. Let's see. This is not my aunt, but it's one of her friends. But this is the vehicle. This is the vehicle. I got some other pictures of it when it was sharp. It was a show vehicle one time. So that's how we looked back then. Look at that thing, boy. I might just do it just like that. I don't know, man. I might just throw it like that. That's what it is. All right, peace.